You are watching Master of PDFs. Note-taking guide.
Hi there, this module is about in-class documentation, which is basically note-taking. Let's start with a stress-free statement. Don't take notes in class just because you see other people doing it. No professor will check your notes in university. However, taking notes can be really beneficial for memorizing class material. And if you do decide to take notes, make sure you do it productively with these iScanner tips. Okay, first, don't just write everything the professor says. That would be just way too much. Summarize what you understand. And if you don't understand, which can happen a lot in school, ask for an explanation, and when you really do get it, just write it down. Then within 24 hours, take just 10 minutes to add anything you remember but you didn't write in class. This, scan your notes and digitally add information so it really sticks in your head and you don't lose anything. When you're writing your notes, use symbols and abbreviations. This might depend on your class and also what makes more sense to you. But there are some common practices that can help. For example, use the first few letters of a word, use initials for phrases, remove vowels, and use symbols. Okay, break is over. There are plenty of note-taking systems, but I really encourage you to just keep it simple. You can start with some bullet points and hierarchies, put important formulas or rules in a box frame, and after some practice, you will find what works best for you. Now, do you need to buy colored pens for notes? Stay tuned to find out.
Next on Master of PDFs.